Together with local artisans and solar entrepreneurs, the German Development Corporation has been developing a market for efficient cooking stoves in Limuru, Kiambu County, and other places, and thus improving livelihoods and saving energy. More than 2.5 million of those stoves have already been sold, giving access to improved cooking for over 6 million Kenyans and preventing over 640 tons of carbon dioxide emission.
This water you put here in the evening, we put fire in the evening at 8 in the evening. You put the water in the morning, the water is hot. Even you cannot manage to put a finger here inside. 100 liters. Yeah.
The stove uses up to 60% less wood than the traditional 3-stone jiko, with more than 40% energy gained. It produces less smoke and improves the health of thousands of women who work in kitchens. It has also generated more income and employment for those who have been trained as manufacturers. These energy-saving stoves can withstand very high temperatures and retain heat longer while cooking.
It is called an institutional rocket stove. So what you will go and see, we have different sizes. We have household stoves, and this one is for institutions.
The primary beneficiaries are basically the entrepreneurs, who are the artisans and the entrepreneurs who are selling solar products. So we have about over 3,000 about 1,000 solar entrepreneurs and about 3,000 stove artisans or stove builders spread across the country. Within the last 10 years, from 2009, they've managed to sell over 2.5 million stoves.
This jiko has also helped because it's multi-purpose. So when we want to make like chapatis or some things like that, you can switch from the firewood to charcoal. You only install those two pieces there. You install them inside and you put some charcoal and you're good to go.
So far, beneficiaries of the program include over 3,000 stove artisans and 1,000 solar entrepreneurs spread across the county, with 2.5 million stoves sold and 5,000 solar products sold within a period of 10 years.